Hello, I'm Ben Sanchez with the Pulse News. Our top story today is natural gas. But first, what is natural gas? And what the frack does fracking mean? Let's find out.
Okay. I'm here with 11th grade chemistry teacher, Mr. Conrad, and we're getting gassy. What could be the possible drawbacks from using natural gas?
Well, natural gas is, we have to drill for it just like we drill for liquid petroleum, let's say crude oil. The drawback of using natural gas is that because it's a gas, it has to be in pressurized tanks. Those tanks, because the gas is pressurized, you have to have, an entirely new system. Let's say if we're going to use natural gas in our vehicles, you'd have to either replace or supplement the existing gas stations that are based on liquid fuels with gaseous containers, these big metal tanks.
You mentioned drilling. There was drilling and somehow the water, our water supplies got contaminated with chemicals from a natural gas. What could be possible outcomes of that?
Well, natural gas, it is a fuel, it's flammable, so there's potential that you could have these flammable substances in your drinking water, which is definitely going to be a negative for health reasons. But besides the actual chemical itself, besides the natural gas, there's lots of other chemicals that are used in the manufacture and production of natural gases, and so some of those other chemicals could also end up in our water supplies.
And how could problems associated with natural gas be avoided?
Well, again, I guess it kind of depends on what context we're going to use the natural gas. If it's for vehicle fuels, natural gases do burn cleaner. Sometimes you've heard of maybe clean energy, or it's a clean fuel, but all hydrocarbons are going to be producing carbon dioxide, and so carbon dioxide is indicated as one of the major greenhouse gases that traps heat here on the Earth and contributes to global warming. So it's going to burn cleaner than our liquid fuels, octanes, and kerosenes, and other gasolines like that. But it's still overall going to be contributing to more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere.
And in your opinion, do you think the costs of natural gases outweigh the benefits of using it?
That's a great question. I think again, it depends on the situation. There's definitely reasons to use natural gas in certain situations, and then there's other situations where, based upon our current infrastructure in this country, it's probably not going to be feasible. Using natural gases, they can be piped through dedicated lines that are fixed, not in motion, from home to home or between apartment buildings or office buildings. Those are all good reasons to use natural gas, and the fact that it burns cleaner is definitely a reason to go with natural gas versus gasolines, which are based more on liquid.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.